Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here today you are looking with me at 2002 Honda Civic LX. It has automatic transmission, approximately 180,000 miles, and today it's here for power steering, fluid flush and automatic transmission fluid flush. I can see a lot of people is forgetting about the automatic transmission maintenance, and I would love to do this video for that reason, to do a little bit of education. Number one, if you look in your owner's manual, there is written that you should use only Honda automatic transmission fluid, and it's a ATF DW-1. Well, that fluid doesn't exist anymore. It was superseded or replaced with ATF DW-1. This is only fluid I recommend you to ever put in the Honda automatic transmission. These trannies are really sensitive to any other fluids, and you don't want to start mixing it with some aftermarket. So advice from me, it's really please stick with it. We personally have Honda Ridgeline, and I never ever used anything else than the Honda fluid, right, which is right here. And guess what? That Ridgeline perfectly still runs at 192,000 miles. Number two, what I would love to share with you, your automatic transmission maintenance should become or be part of a regular thing. People just forget about those. They forget that there is a fluid in them, and it works also very hard, same way like a oil in the engine. Look how disgusting this oil is. And I will take it off from here when I will plug that opening, and we will inspect it here. But you saw how dark it is, right? Look, this is a brand new fluid, and I will give you idea how it's supposed to look like, right? It's supposed to be a bright red fluid. Let's take a sample of it. So I have this clean container here. Let's pour some of it in. You will see the difference. Do you see that? This is what's supposed to be in your transmission, right? This is that Honda product. Beautifully clear. You can see it's a transparent, right? If you look through it, you will be, if I pour more even, you will be able to see through it. So that's how it's supposed to be. This is absolute nightmare. That's when I was checking on the dipstick, right? I saw it, the fluid, it's really burnt and old, and that's why it's happening today here. So on this 2002, if you want to do it by yourself, the opening is right here, right? And I show you the plug which was inside. This is the plug. Now you don't need any special wrench, because actually what fits there, it's a 3/8 square ratchet, right? So that's how I open it. And I would like to show you something else. Look at that tip. Do you see those shavings? These are metal microscopic parts, well, micro parts, not microscopic, sorry, very, very small parts from the clutches and so on, right? This is the wear, and actually why it is there, because there is a magnet in this drain plug. This is very great idea, and it's being caught on it. So there's quite a lot of it. I will now clean it with the shop rag, and I will show you how it looks. Now it's nicely clean, so let me show you detail of that magnet. This is in the shape I will be putting it back in the transmission. After approximately 25 minutes it stopped dripping, so the plug is back here, and we can look at that fluid. Here is once again that beautiful new fluid, the sample, and look finally right here how burnt, bad, brown, right, almost black the fluid which came out is. So it was definitely Now I will say too late, but it was definitely a reason to replace this fluid and do the flush. The owner's manual for this vehicle, 2002 Civic, says that if you drain it, I should get out 3 quarts, right? 3 of these, and the total fill, it's 6 quarts. So drain and refill will be 3 quarts. Let's see how much I caught. The quarts are on the left, right here, and what came out after 25 minutes, it's only like 2.3 quarts. So this is what you can expect when you will try to do it yourself, right? Do your own maintenance. You will basically need 3 quarts for a simple drain and refill. If you do flushes, obviously, then you need way more. Of course, the final measurement will be always done, and important it is to use the dipstick. There is like a minimum and the maximum, right? But again, this is all explained in the owner's manual, and I have it all that info in my different videos on this channel. And why am I making this video? Well, I feel like people are not educated that automatic transmission really needs to be maintained too, and it's really important. Of course, you can skip on it, but the replacement, if you damage it, replacement is extremely costly, and I believe that if you do that maintenance right, they will last for you for the long time. Look at this ridgeline. This is our own vehicle, right? She has 192,000 miles. She perfectly shifts and the training works excellent. And why? Well, because every 3rd oil change I always drain and refill that fluid. I don't care, right, that it's expensive. It also uses like 3 quarts that drain and refill, right? And it's worth it because anytime I do that drain and refill, actually the fluid comes out nice and clean. It has a good color, and I know that's ideal for that tranny to work. Not the nightmare, right? That blackish bad fluid which we got out today. I hope you find this video helpful, and stay tuned, be subscribed. I will always have more videos coming your way on this Auto Resource YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.